Thank you.
Navy on flight of 4, still holding over Fond du Lac.
Navy on flight of 4, roger, thanks.
We're command is still holding over Fond du Lac.
Navy on, are you an L-17 also, is that the same thing?
Yes, sir, L-17.
Okay, thank you very much.
What caravan over Warford?
Tail dragger just touched down on 36 right, high-speed taxi all the way to the end.
Speed taxi, yeah.
White caravan, make a straight in 36 right, and report a 3-mile final. PBY, you can use the next left if you can make it. Might be a little bit too fast, that's no big deal. Left at Papa 2 behind that C5 and follow the flaggers. Thanks for coming to the show.
Yo, PBY.
Red, white, blue, Piper, do you see the caravan?
Hey, firm.
Follow the caravan, red, white, blue, Piper.
Red, white, blue behind the caravan.
All you guys on 36 right, great job. High-speed taxi all the way to the end. Thanks for coming to the show. PBY, great, neat job, love that.
Still over Fond du Lac.
My second red, white, blue Piper, follow the first one, please.
Whatever they tell us on a flight.
Black and silver Piper, but follow the red, white, blue.